Welcome back to the Michigan Business Beat on Michigan Business Network. Jeffrey Mosher sitting in for Chris Holman on the road, Traverse City vicinity, Grand Traverse Resort and Spa. We're on hand for CAR MBS 2023. That's the Center for Automotive Research's Management Briefing Seminars number 58. And for the third year in a row, we have the pleasure of getting to speak with Richard Yen, Senior Vice President at Altair. Richard, welcome back to the Michigan Business Beat.
Thank you very much, Jeff.
Excellent, excellent. So let's remind folks first about Altair. Can you share about that company?
Yeah, certainly. Altair is a high-tech company that we already have a vision and looking forward to have a simulation as a virtual validations. Altair is a high-tech company, so we really have technologies and envisions that the virtual validations combining with high-performance computing and combining with AI. We see the convergence is going to help our customers and the business making the right decisions. So we are looking forward in the future to see all those all merge together.
Excellent. And you've had a fascinating career path that's led to being a senior vice president with Altair. Would you care to share a bit about that career and reintroduce yourself to the Michigan business community?
Certainly. I think Altair, I have to say, is wonderful companies. Actually, I worked for Altair for 34 years. And all my careers actually is in Altair. And the Altair has a really good cultures that I would say is really embrace the risk and so also take advantage of the combining the business and technologies. And with those, we have very good, honest communication so that we can get the employee really feel comfortable to stay with the company and willing to express their innovation ideas. So looking forward, I do see Altair continue will be growing and in the future.
Speaking of innovation and the fact that we're at CAR MBS, lightweighting and sustainability have been buzzwords, but for Altair, they're the heart of what you do. So could you share about the event that happened earlier this morning and some information about that?
Certainly. We hosted the Altair Enlighten Award this morning, and I was so happy to see so many winners coming together to receive the award, accepting the award, and express their opinions about the Altair Enlighten Award. We are seeing the people, flying from Belgium. We are seeing the people flying from UK. We are seeing the people flying from California, all over the place. And what they are really concerned about is providing the innovative solutions that really not only in this area, but also bring the values to the customers. And those companies, including the Nikola, they have a fuel cell e-truck, and they including the Polestar from a Swedish companies. They are really focused on the recycling activities and helping this world to become much greener. And we also have quite a few companies, the suppliers, Toyota. Toyota really make the cut on the ISO dynamic seat, and they won to award on this seat because Toyota is probably one of the best company I can see really integrate and really bring the supply chain together and to build nice projects. So I'm so happy to see that we have so many winners coming together and continue to inspire this industry, so moving forward to build a much better sustainable future.
When we speak of enlighten and lightweighting, can you go back to what prompted the necessity to get lighter?
Well, getting lighter is everybody trying to do, especially for the era of the electrical vehicles. Because the fuel economy in the ICE engine time, now is a battery. You get a really distance anxieties if you cannot really move your vehicle from one point to another point. But whatever that you are doing and for the travel, the battery is so heavy right now. So that you got to reduce the weight of the vehicle in order to get the distance to the where you want to be. And the lightweighting not only for saving the energies, but also saving the materials. So for example, if you can save a certain kilograms for certain components, that you are really, saving the world as well in terms of the material usage.
And then that lines up with sustainability. What has been the push for sustainability in the last couple of years?
Well, I think everybody experienced the heated wave, the wildfires and the flood. And it's all caused by the contracts of the carbon dioxide, in the planet. And what we need to do is to reduce the carbon emissions. And that's how we have this award, and everybody making a big effort, try to moving forward in these directions. Sustainability also talking about the usage of the material. Circularity is very, very important. This year we have winners, brochure. And I have to say that people have to rethink about how to reproduce products. The brochure actually remanufacture the e-bike motors. They don't create the new ones because they think to create it is very important if we can reuse some of the used the motors and refurbish it into a really like new situations. And that will save tons of the carbon emission as well.
Tremendous. And here at Michigan Business Network, we'll be getting the press release and winners list from the awards from this morning, and we will put that in the blog post that will accompany this video. Richard, thank you so much for spending some time with the Michigan Business Beat today.
Thank you so much, Jeff.
Excellent. And once again, our third year of getting together with Richard Yen, Senior Vice President with Altair, here at CAR MBS, the Center for Automotive Research's Management Briefing Seminars, number 58 at the Grand Traverse Resort and Spa in the Traverse City vicinity. We'll be back with more on the Michigan Business Beat on Michigan Business Network.